Hi class, in this video here what I want to do is I want to walk you through the challenge exercise in section 1.7 of your textbook. Okay, so the following box plot represents a sample of house prices. And notice that they're in the hundreds of thousands. Okay, that's important. Okay, so we know that this is the minimum value, this is the maximum. This right here, this bar here at 135 is the first quartile. This is the median or second quartile, and this is the third quartile. So let's find and interpret the first quartile of Q1. Well, that's 135, but you have to be careful here because it's 135 in hundreds of thousands. So it's actually 135,000. And what this means is the first quartile means 25% of home prices fall below Q1. So find and interpret the interquartile range. Well, that's just Q3 minus Q1. So that's 150 minus 135 gets you 15. But then remember, it's in thousands, so it's 15,000. And then what happens here for the interquartile range is the middle 50% of house prices have a spread of the IQR. Looks like we got them. Great. Okay, so given this right here, complete the 5-number summary. Okay, so for the minimum value here, you have to be a little bit careful here. So it looks like these tick marks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the minimum value looks like it's 1, 2, 3. The first quartile looks like it's at 5. The median is 10, 11, 12 right here. The third quartile is 15. This maximum is at 20. And then this dot represents the outlier at 35. And we got him. Great. So last question here. Identify the box plot that corresponds to the following 5-number summary. Okay, well, first off, it has an outlier of 70, so it's either this one or this one here. So let's see. It has a first quartile of 25, a median of 31, and a third quartile of 36. Well, you can see that it's obviously this gray one here, right? So it can't be this blue one because the third quartile is 41 here. So it has to be this gray one. All right. I hope this helped class, just quickly identifying and working with box plots.